Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to change a name on Telegram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Telegram app. Your name is shown in each conversation. I can open up any conversation, and right here you can see the names of users who left their message here. The name will be shown exactly how you set it in your Telegram settings. So now let me show you how you can easily change your name. Once you opened Telegram, right here, you can easily find that settings icon. Just get into it. Right here, you can check your name, and in order to change that name, all you have to do is right here tap on Edit. At the very top, now you can change your first name and your last name. You can tap on that, and now you can edit it as a regular text. You can remove that text and then type in any new name that you want. Once you did that, you can just hit on Done to set new name on your Telegram profile. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist, where you will find a lot of useful tutorials. Just check the link in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.